Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Sarah's Work. So today we have Samsung Galaxy A05 and how to hard reset this Samsung Galaxy A05. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset. So in order to do that we must have a USB cable connected to the laptop or computer. So this cable is connected to my laptop, so we're going to use this, and without this you won't be able to get into the recovery. So the procedure is very simple. What we can do, we can connect this USB-C cable to the phone which is connected to my laptop. So the battery is 42%, so I'm gonna hold power button and volume down button together to get into the recovery. So just gonna keep the screen alive. The second phone goes off. You can shift from volume down to volume up while keep holding the power button. So I'm gonna keep holding this button until we get into the recovery. Here we go. The second you see the Samsung logo, you can release both buttons. So we should see recovery. There we go. We have a recovery menu. So that's how you get into the recovery. From here you can use volume down and volume up button to navigate. So as you can see, wipe data factory reset. I'm going to press power button to select and select factory data reset. This is the warning that it will delete everything from your phone. And that's it. From here you can just reboot the system and the phone should come on, and here we go. So from here you can select next. Basically phone has been wiped, so we have to set up everything from the beginning and agree to all. Here we go, and the phone is ready to use, and that's how you perform hard reset on Samsung Galaxy A05 and A06 and all these new related phones. So it's easy to do that, and you can just, this is basically a dual SIM card phone, so we can set for your SIM and mobile data, for your call and mobile data, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.